Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Non Judgmental, sponsored by Bean Scene.
I still remember आप कृष्णा बने थे. There was something fancy competition or something. आप कृष्णा बने थे और आप मुझे इतने क्यूट लगते थे बचपन में. You were very fair, very cute, very chubby. आपको एक्टिवा के सामने रुका के पूरी अतनी घुमाती थी मैं हमेशा. I had the best bond with you ever since childhood.
It is still there. मेरे को भी याद है we used to always dance.
Yeah,
मेरा music का
together.
शौक
हाँ.
started when we had it was my first trip to Goa and your friend Nikita Didi, you were
Yeah.
there. Karan bhaiya, Rohit bhaiya, we all had been.
Yeah.
And there while coming back, the first song that I ever loved or liked was Ashik Banaya,
Ashik.
Himesh Reshmiya.
Okay.
And then we used to dance here in the evening. That was like our daily routine.
Yeah.
To dance, play the tape recorder,
Yeah.
increase the volume to the maximum.
When we were young, Dadu used to ask me, बड़ी होके क्या बनेगी? First I said, दादू मेरे को कोरियोग्राफर बनना है. He used to say, नाचने वाली बनेगी तू, नाचने वाली बनेगी. हमने क्या यार अभी फिर से चेंज करूँ? आप ऐसे बोल रहे हो तो थोड़े दिन फिर से चेंज हुए. दादू अगेन आस्क्ड मी, अब क्या बनने वाली है तू? मैंने बोला एयर होस्ट्रेस बनूंगी. हाँ, वेटर बनेगी, वेटर बन के सबको खाना देगी. It was so funny.
He had this fun way of pulling everybody's
leg. Yeah.
He always did
We
that.
miss him in each and every conversation.
एक बार वहाँ पे हमारे घर पे दादा जी ऊपर बैठ के he was having tea. मतलब मम्मी को बोला था चाय देना.
हाँ.
तो मम्मी पानी और चाय लेके गई है.
हाँ.
कट टू दादू इज वॉचिंग तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा.
Okay.
So मम्मी ने पानी और चाय रखा and she was going back.
हाँ.
तो मम्मी just for a second noticed he's dipping his Parle-G biscuit into water
Yeah.
and not tea.
Yeah, he does that.
So it was the very first time. So my mom thought maybe he can't see or what, something happened. She went and approached कि ये आप ना बिस्किट पानी में डुबो रहे हो, चाय में नहीं. So he said मेरे को दिखता है, अंधा नहीं हूँ मैं.
My goodness.
And then slowly I noticed he loves Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma when nobody's around. उनके दांत थे नहीं. So whenever he smiled at it, he used to put his napkin on his mouth. He used to cover it and smile.
Okay. He was very cautious
about
yeah.
it. Even at the age of like 70 plus, he was still cautious
Arey,
about
he
it.
loved me so much, Dadu, when I told him for the first time that I want to see you drive the cycle. इस गली में सब लोगों के सामने he was wearing that boxer shorts.
पहले हाँ वो.
Just with that boxer shorts, he drove the cycle and showed me कि देख मैं इस age में भी साइकिल चला सकता हूँ. He was almost 65 years of age. 65-70 years तो हो गई उनका.
Yeah.
तो उस एज में he drove the cycle with his boxer shorts and he was like roaming here and there. देख गुड़िया मैं साइकिल चला रहा हूँ, देख गुड़िया मैं साइकिल चला रहा हूँ.
Nobody still knows your name exactly like it's Neha. Everybody still remembers like Goody.
Yeah. Nobody calls me Sneha, just my classmates and my nana maternals, mom के मायके वाले. They all call me Sneha. And जो पप्पा के पैटर्नल से सारे everybody in Athni they call me Goody. बाकी ससुराल में they call me Diya
Ahuja.
It's such a weird thing, हम लोग मतलब कितने सारे नाम बदले अपने.
Yeah.
एक पहचान तो है ही नहीं. Like every time you have a new.
You switch your roles also, no? Here you are daughter, there you are daughter.
But
as well, but
a daughter-in-law.
A daughter-in-law, yeah. Oh my god. Everything flashback when पता था ये record करना है, but हमारा topic ही कुछ और है and what we are discussing is so different. मेरे को ये भी चीज दिमाग में हमेशा रहती है कि वो जब when we were young, it was mandatory कि हर रोज घर पे भेल आए. एक वो किटली पूरा भर के किटली भेल किटली रगड़ा and all time your favorite शेव पूरी. Yeah. That was compulsory without fail.
Wherever I go, I first order मेरे को शेव पूरी तो देना.
हाँ नहीं अभी पर वो कैसे तभी कंपलसरी था. मतलब हर रोज ही आता था. सामने वाली चाचा के दुकान से 5 रुपए वाली पर्क मंच.
And I had that tendency कि रोज रात को खाना सबके घर बाहर के उसके घर पे खाना ही नहीं है बिल्कुल. Not even
I followed that steps with you as well.
है ना.
बाजू में काय केले आज देवनला. this is what it is. चलो बैठती हूँ मैं
बैठ के
खाने.
खा के आ जाओ. And when I used to come back home, I used to say, "Mama, I'm full. मैं खा के आई हूँ." She was like, "तू हमारे घर में पैदा हुई क्यों? किसी मराठे के घर पे होती ना, उनका ही खाना पसंद है तो चाय भी उनकी चाहिए, खाना भी उनका चाहिए. What is this?"
That was golden time.
Yeah, golden time.
बड़ी मम्मी का बाहर बैठ के शुगर केन काट के हम सब उधर ही बैठ के.
You remember that time when Mama used to apply us besan and malai, you know? Malai. They used to make us stand on that कट्टा, you know? उस पे रुका के सबको ऐसे नंगा करके ऐसे बेसन मलाई लगा के खड़ा कर
compulsory. अभी those things now.
Those days are not here back. हमारे kids enjoy नहीं कर रही है.
नहीं.
आपस में खेलना वगैरह. They just have their
cell
phones in the hand.
था खेलना.
You know, we used to go to that Lakshmi temple every time. Every day when cousins were here, every day हम लोग Lakshmi temple जाते थे. We used to play football. We used to play so many games there. आजकल बच्चों को games पता भी नहीं है ज़्यादातर.
They don't. Things have changed. Time have changed. School में भी you have to study. अगर वो नहीं कर रहे हो on daily basis, you're lagging somewhere behind. Yeah. If you're not up to date, so in that sense they are losing a lot of their childhoodness. But I swear to God, मेरे को तब से यही दिमाग में खाया जा रहा था कि हमने ये किया था, हमने वो किया था, आशिक बनाया पे नाचो. Once I had even ये स्कूटी चला के, I was I guess 5th standard or something. इधर बिना बताए, you shifted to the other home that side. बिना बताए वो चला के, I had come to give some kitli that time. And you said पहले जाके घर पे गाड़ी लगा वरना खाएगा तू.
नहीं, एक दूसरे को बचाया भी बहुत है हम लोगों ने बचपन में, है ना?
Yes.
Every time. That is all sibling stuff, you know.
That sibling
no third
bond.
person should know.
True. Now, how has your things changed post marriage? Because I still remember I came back from your marriage. I was in hostel then.
Yeah.
So तभी वो कुछ पता ही नहीं था that you're getting married and you'll come like you know there's gonna be a huge difference between us. But then I came back and auntie was ironing clothes and I sat next to her. Buddi didi kab aayegi? She said she'll come in another 2 days. वो सतावड़ा जो ritual है for that. I didn't know you'll go back again and then and then it will be very difficult for you to come like now once in a year we see or something like that. But that feeling was the worst I ever had. Tabhi I didn't know that how to overcome or what. But then hostel life happens. How did it was a difference for you?
Yeah, there was a huge difference. I had a huge family here, a family of almost all the uncles, all the aunties together. उसके बाद समझो ये सब नहीं है तो I had my grandma also with me. So there I went. सिर्फ एक सास थी, एक देवरानी थी. सास मेरे साथ रहती थी. देवरानी was always upstairs and I was alone. I used to call my grandma every day and I used to start crying. कौन से घर में शादी करवाई है मम्मा, यहाँ तो लोग ही नहीं है. वॉल्स के साथ बात करूं क्या?
हमारे घर पे वो कंपलसरी, एक तो टीवी के लिए हम लोग झगड़ते थे हमेशा.
हम लोग को आदत थी ना जॉइंट फैमिली की. There everything became solo. तो वहाँ पे मजा ही नहीं आया. तो बाद में धीरे धीरे अभी मैं एडजस्ट हो गई. बट देन very soon I got my first daughter. उसके बाद after a 4-year gap I got my son. So life became busy with both the kids. Raising a daughter is not easy, I feel. Raising a son also, whereas you need to be very friendly with your daughter. You need to cross check every day. How is she? Is she fine? Is her surrounding safe? Everything, every day a mother has that fear in herself that is her daughter fine? Is everything fine around her? Whereas with the sons it's not a big deal, but then बेटों का एक अलग ही टेंशन होता है कि कहीं गलत संगत में तो नहीं लग रहा है, कहीं वो सही तो है, कहीं वो सही लोगों के साथ तो है, गलत संगत में तो नहीं जा रहा है. But with daughters, she's been taught कि she has to choose, she's very conserved like her dad. She's very choosy to make friends. She's a safe person, I understand, very safe. But then to रोज एक सवाल मेरे को पूछना पड़ता है उससे, वे वो ठीक हो ना, आप सब ठीक तो चल रहा है ना, कोई bad touch तो नहीं है ना. It's not easy to raise a mother, and I would at least suggest people who are listening to us to be more friendly with their daughters, to treat their daughters as their first friend.
Not only daughters, but also any
sons.
Female.
Yeah, any female surrounding them. Yeah, seriously. Who is a real woman? I would ask you. A real woman is someone who is fixing another woman's crown. A woman is not a woman who is pulling another woman's crown.
True.
A woman who is bitching about a third person, she's really not a woman. Learn to, like, you know, fix crowns, then only you are going to be stable.
True.
Yeah. The true thing is, when we are okay with the people around us, when we see things properly, हमको सब कुछ अच्छा ही लगता है. जब हम में नेगेटिविटी हो ना, तो लोगों में नेगेटिविटी नजर आती है. You know, we are chill kind of people. You, I, we have never been taught being negative
about anything.
We are never judgmental. But after my marriage na, I saw people being so judgmental that you know, उनका state of mind ही अलग है यार. You just can't even imagine कि वो लोग कैसे सोच सकते हैं. और हमने ये सब देखा भी नहीं.
We've never seen this part. Like, we grew in such a happy and healthy environment.
And seriously,
I mean, I still remember when you were in your college time. I was still a young kid, but now when I recall that flashback, you had so much of freedom back then. Maybe 25 years down the line. What I mean, today's people already have this freedom. Like today's daughters, girls, everybody has that freedom. But having that freedom back then, that is so good.
Seriously, almost 20 years back, my grandfather and grandmother had given me full on freedom. I was taught Activa in 6th standard, I think. You know? And look at my daughter, she's in 8th. She does not know how to ride an Activa. People are like, नहीं सिखाना उसको, घूमने चली जाएगी या तू ही काम पे लगाएगी उसको. अरे, when it is important कि हाँ, I have some work, so it's important ना, when I cannot go, at least she should be independent.
She should be able to go, yeah.
She should not depend on some other person कि हाँ मुझे लेके जाओ तो. That's not fair. I was having seriously a different kind of freedom. I don't think anybody would have got such kind of freedom here.
We all even.
Our grandfather was that
very
kind of personality.
Yeah. He never had
such person.
Rope for anything, but with certain limitations, obviously, but everybody had
he had that one rule, you know, ki if I'm coming home at 2 o'clock, I want my daughter to sit in front of me and have food with me. And sharp at 9 o'clock, you're supposed to be at home because I'm going to have food and you have to sit with me and have
conversation.
Yeah, he was
chill.
That kind of person.
Sit
with me and talk to me.
That was there, but
you know what he promised me when I finished 10th standard. He was like, अगर आप अच्छे percentage लेके आओगे तो I'm going to gift you something. What do you want? A car or a mobile? At that time, I badly wanted a mobile. So I told him I want a mobile. And in those days, he got me that Nokia 6600, you know, front and back camera. That was the first phone which was having the front camera. And that phone was the first gift by my grandfather to me. I was such a lucky kind of person. You know, my brother, Rohit, tells me, I was always jealous of you. That Dadu was always, you know, possessed by you or something. हमेशा he used to like say, जो भी लेना है पहले गुड़िया को देना है, जो भी करना है पहले गुड़िया के साथ करना है. So
every time.
Even now he says, I always used to be jealous with you. He still remembers some facts, you know. हम लोग वडगांव जाते थे घूमने, टॉप वडगांव, something water park.
Yeah.
We had a family trip there around 6 to 7 times.
Agreed.
At last 10th में क्या हुआ, हमारे स्कूल वालों ने भी वो वडगांव ही चूज किया for school trip. तो you know, I started saying दादू कि मुझे जाना है. तो दादू said नहीं, अभी तो होके आए हो, आप लोग घूम कर आए हो. I started crying कि मुझे जाना ही है. And he allowed me कि हाँ ठीक है, ये फीस ले और बाबा भर के तू जाना ट्रिप पे. And then Rohit also asked कि मुझे भी जाना है दादू. What दादू must have replied? गुड़िया रोई है, तू भी रो के दिखा तो तेरे को पैसे दूँ. Seriously, he still remembers those things. और वो बता के दिखाता है. वो उसने बोला मैं रोया ही नहीं, मैंने पैसे ही नहीं लिए. मैंने बोला नहीं चाहिए आपके पैसे, सिर्फ गुड़िया को ही भेजो आप अपने.
I still remember we used to come and drop you because your school buses used to leave at 5 a.m. for any trips.
Yeah.
And we were like, I was very small, so I used to hop on the Activa and sit and come and drop you at 5 a.m.
Just
like
to
bye. Just to wave. वो excitement ही अलग थी. If
अलग
somebody today asked me to wake up at 5 and just come and wave me, I will like, तुम चले जाओ, जिधर जाना है चले जाओ. Maybe because of the connectivity, like I can randomly connect on you on call anytime.
Yeah.
Like
we have that connectivity कि किसी भी time पे बात करेंगे, जहाँ we stop, we can start from the same
there. There is no awkwardness in between.
Not at all.
There are days when you're busy, there are days when I am, but when we connect back, it's like the same thing is happening. Yeah. when I guess every time post Diwali it was mandatory कि सब अंकल अपना एक एक डेस्टिनेशन चूज कर लेते थे for trips.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
And जिसको जिधर जाना है सब वो गाड़ी
निकल
चढ़ के
जाओ.
निकल के we used to go. Now that and all have stopped.
Yeah. You know, all the brothers were planning कि हम सब साथ में कहीं निकले after Diwali.
This coming Diwali.
You brothers plan together and go. I'm तो not allowed. You know, my husband has that कपड़ों का business. तो हमारी collection चलती
रहती है. True.
So I cannot go somewhere.
Your son finished all your drink.
Oh my God.
No. Now let's stick to the topic that we had. Why do you think, I mean, definitely, when was the first time you told your daughter about bad and good touch?
You know, nowadays the things are good that they are teaching it in school at a very young age, because you never know when some things happen.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing, you know, is I started talking to her since 2nd or 3rd standard. बेबो ऐसे भी होता है, बेबो ऐसे भी होता है. So she said, मम्मा मुझे पता है, स्कूल में बताते हैं. We are supposed to shout, we are supposed to say no. But then that was easy, you know. Talking to her, वो ऊपर का बात करना was easy. Now as she has grown up, you know, she is in 8th, she has gone to 8th.
Yeah.
So I had to tell her कि बेबो don't distract yourself, because you know there is a trend, you know, कि इसी एज में तुमको एक बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड चाहिए, and with the same person you're going to get married. I don't want her to get distracted. I seriously don't want her to get distracted. I want her to focus. I want her to be independent. I want her to earn her self-made money. I want her to be self-made. I've always told her, बेबो आपके पैसे से मेरे को पूरी इंडिया को पूरा वर्ल्ड टूर करना है, पर आपके पैसे से, पापा के पैसे से नहीं. अब तो put it in her mind कि नहीं, you have to be independent. See, even now sometimes I have to ask money for my husband, है ना? तो somewhere I feel कि मैं मांगूं क्यों यार, भाई कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए तो हर महीने का मिल जाता है. But then someday when there is extra, I need to ask him. फिर you know वो मूडी कि हाँ ठीक है लो, या sometimes डांट पड़ती है. So, I don't like all such things. I want any girl to be independent at any cost before her marriage.
What you just said, a statement, no? My mom tells it in a very funny way. She'll tell, अगर मेरे को पता होता ये मेरे को अथनी में पटकने वाले हैं तो मैं कभी इस इंसान से शादी नहीं करती. खुद की अभी like when she was at young age, she used to go to her store back then. She used to, you know, do things. नाना उनको धंधोड़ी पुत्र बुलाते, like a businesswoman. So she had grown that mentally, and here when you come, you're just in kitchen, does खाना बनाओ, handling your kids, and thus. So she was saying me and कि खुद का कमाओ, खुद का करो. That feeling, definitely now that I'm earning on my own, I definitely know how it feels. But she always used to say कि, even to my sister, she till now she tells, you should never be dependent on your husband also. Have a healthy relationship. Everything is fine, but when it comes to money, at times your own self-respect is kind of, you know, deteriorating, or you feel bad, or pityness खुद पे होती है.
Yeah, we do feel because you know we have that caliber of earning, but then somewhere ऐसा है कि मैं कमा रहा हूँ, तुझे क्यों कमाने की जरूरत है. It's not like that. We are Sindhi people. You know, actually, when I was getting married, you know, they ask you what kind of guy you want. What was my priority? पापा मेरे को ना जॉब करने वाला लड़का चाहिए, 9 to 5 वाला, सैटरडे संडे छुट्टी ले और मेरे साथ टाइम स्पेंड करे. What दादू replied? We are Sindhi people. We don't do jobs. जॉब करने वाला लड़का तो मिलेगा ही नहीं.
अभी definitely things have changed. There are people working, but back then it was very difficult to find you a groom who will be having 9 to 5. But you're lucky enough you don't have a 9 to 5 groom. You're very comfortable actually, with the husband.
I'm leading a very nice, lavish kind of life, and it's his priority, you know, कि Sunday बस मेरी बीवी और मेरे बच्चे. I don't want any third person between us. And he's very mature. He's very responsible kind of person.
How did you guys tune in also? Like, how did you know, okay, this is the guy I'm looking for?
It was nothing like that. Back then, you know, when he had come to see me, I was the only person who was talking, and he was quietly listening to me.
Oh.
Seriously.
Even today, he just listens to you.
Even today, he listens to me. It's not that I'm ruling or something. It's just that he has that, you know, how Bebo is introvert kind of. Yeah, even he is like that. He's a bit introvert kind of. But then जो वो मस्तियाँ करता है ना, I miss him when he is out for collection or something. जब वो घर पे नहीं रहता है तो we feel कि ये घर ही नहीं लग रहा है यार. There's no entertainment in the house. With us he's like that. With others I don't know. People say he's introvert. I'm okay with other people, but
no,
with
introverts
me, he's very
nice. Introverts usually होते कैसे कि सामने वाला अननोन है या तुम जस्ट हाई बाई का रिलेशन है उनके साथ ज्यादा नहीं है, तो वहाँ पे इंट्रोवर्ट खुलते भी नहीं है. तो इंट्रोवर्ट ऑब्वियसली ही इज योर फैमिली, तो यू आर
तो वहाँ पे वेरी नाइस बॉन्ड. एंड वहाँ हमारे यहाँ कैसे ट्रेंड है दैट दे हैव मेनी फ्रेंड्स, दे गो आउट विद फ्रेंड्स. माय हस्बैंड इज लाइक हमारे दो काफी है दिया, आई डोंट नीड एनी फ्रेंड्स.
That's the end of the podcast, guys. And if you ever wish to be on this podcast, non-judgmental, please drop us a DM at beanscene.in on our Instagram handle. That is BEANSCENE.IN. Thank you. See you next Friday.